nail polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back and shawty don't.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with a new video. Today I will be featuring UNICE Hair. Big shout out to UNICE Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump right into this. This wig is actually from UNICE on Amazon. They have a store on Amazon. So this is a 24-inch Yaki straight bye-bye knots glueless closure wig. I think I said it all. But everyone knows about these wigs by now. These are basically a ready-to-wear pre-customized wig. This one is in the reddish brown color. So once I open the package up, I show you what the hair looks like and we jump right into the install. It's very simple. All I did was use a hot comb to flatten the top. I particularly like my wigs to be flat at the top, so we did that. I did run the flat iron through this hair. I didn't want it silky straight or bone straight. I wanted to keep that texture, but I did want to flatten it out because it was a little bulky at like the top. So I did that, and that was really it. I used a little bit of concealer to clean up the part because I like my parts to be super defined, but because this is a bye-bye knots wig, you do not have to. So as far as the construction of this wig, this does have that silicone grip around the back of the unit to keep the unit in place. There's also 2 combs towards the temple, and there's one in the nape area, which I think comes in handy because if you tuck that in right under the bands, she's not going nowhere. So that is it as far as the construction. The actual lace size is a 7x5. I will have all that detailed here, but you do get a nice parting space with the lace, so you can do a middle part or a side part. You can also wear this completely glueless as advertised. I used a little bit of hair mousse to blend that lace. This lace actually blended really well. I've had some of the glueless wigs give off like a very ashy look. This one blended very, very well, so I do like this lace quality. So that's really it for the wig. It's 24 inches, and it is definitely true to length. I love these textures in the longer lengths because you really don't see that a lot. So one thing I'm curious to know about this wig is if you can deposit color on this wig, because I would love to throw like a plum color over this. That would be fire, okay? I have yet to see that. So hair companies, if you're listening, we want a Yaki straight texture with a plum color. Yeah, get into it. But yeah, that is it. All the details will be down in the description box. Remember, this is UNICE off Amazon, so if you need this within 2 days, that's where you want to go, okay? All the details will be down below. Check the description box for coupon codes. Shout out to UNICE Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for continuing to watch these videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Nail polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back and shawty don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body be the color I see you. I see you. Used to be in love and your life a Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so the nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you've been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjust to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. No place to unknown defense. You don't need a man, got your own defense. No kid, money, these grown men. Had a week, a month, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep. Arch your back at knees and bring them in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Way too many fall in your direction. Choices like testing, just selective. Yeah, that ass too swole and I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and you need to fall back. Used to be in love, now your life a Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so the nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, tryna figure out where you've been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, why you too loud. you want.